Hi, this is James. Are you looking for a way to build your online business or even to revamp it? Well, I've got good news. On 3rd March 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, PrimeApps is launching. PrimeApps is a bundle of tools that's going to take your business to the next level. I've got a quick walkthrough of PrimeApps coming up. Before that, check out the demo. So here we are on the sales page of PrimeApps, and let's unpack this and see what else PrimeApps has in store for you in order for you to decide if this is the tool that is going to accelerate your business. Now, the first thing I would like you to pay attention to is right at the bottom of the screen. Before you click any of the buy buttons, make sure that you use this discount code and get $3 off. Prime 3 off. So what are the 5 tools that PrimeApps has bundled together? First is Prime Virtual. Next is Prime Ecom Store Builder, if that is the route you're taking. Prime Speech is the text-to-speech. Prime Proof and Prime Business Software. Now, bundling all of these 5 ensures that you do not use separate apps. You just use PrimeApps to get everything done in one location instead of toggling between different apps. So it saves you a ton of time, and it saves you a ton of cost as well, because there are no monthly fees at all when you pick up PrimeApps during this launch period. So this is a quick overview of PrimeApps before I go into the details. Hosting is provided on PrimeApps, so you save even more money by using their hosting service. Now, the other beautiful thing about PrimeApps also is that you can create multilingual portfolio websites, V-cards, CVs with QR code. It is newbie friendly, and it comes with training. And on top of that, it's 24/7 customer support is available. Now, you may have seen these apps sold separately by other vendors. So PrimeApps is the first to bring you all 5 of these apps bundled together. So let's check out each one of the apps bundled in PrimeApps. First one is Prime Virtual. And a couple of outstanding features that Prime Virtual comes with is that you can conduct live sessions by inviting people to join these sessions with video chat and call. It comes with several effects that you can select, and you can integrate Google Analytics. It is responsive, so they can view with your mobile, and it comes with multi-language support. Now, the only thing is they do not indicate what the languages that are supported. Secondly is Prime Ecom Store Builder, and these are the features that you get with Prime Ecom Store Builder. Now, the great thing is that you can configure a custom domain if you do not wish to use the domain provided by PrimeApps, and therefore differentiate yourself and boost your SEO as well. And you can continue to host it on their hosting service. You can upload your own logo, descriptions, header, footer, and everything else. Manage your social media traffic. Choose the themes, the multiple theme options, multiple payment gateways, although it's not indicated what these payment gateways are. And again, multiple languages are mentioned without stating what these languages are. Now, the third app is Prime Speech, which is the text-to-speech converter. And these are features of Prime Speech. And it supports 40 plus languages and dialects, 100 different voices and accents as well. App number 4 is Prime Proof, which is a great way to get your customers to take action. And you can install this on any website, and allows you to collect email leads as well. And there are a dozen plus notification types that you can choose from. And the 5th is Prime Business. Now, what Prime Business allows you to do, as you saw, is to create your business pages. And again, with this, you can use your own domain if you wish. It comes with an advanced QR builder to generate QR code for any URL. And you can manage these. So obviously, you can use PrimeApps for any niche that you are in now. All right, people. So when you land on the page and scroll all the way down, or almost to the end, you would find that the price listed is $2. This is probably going to be updated, and the price is $67 for the front end version. But remember to use the coupon code Prime3 off to get $3 off. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So take it for a spin to make sure that all the 5 apps work together well. Oftentimes, if you have bought bundled products, you will realize that one or two of the apps function extremely well, but there are one or two that are dysfunctional or don't behave in the way that you want them to. So put all the 5 apps to use and see if this is the tool that's really going to take your business to the next level. And PrimeApps is brought to you by Udhat Pramanik as well as the Fire Launchers team. So you may be wondering, where are the bonuses that you don't find on the sales page? So click the link below to discover the bonuses that I have cobbled together for you, including bonuses from the vendor who has allowed me to share them with you. Now, OTO number 1 is PrimeApps Pro, and this is what you get with each one of the 5 apps. You get additional access. So go through these, understand what you are getting with PrimeApps Pro. OTO number 2 is PrimeApps Max, and you unlock 3 more apps: Prime Multi-Business Service Booking Software, Prime Meeting, as well as Prime E-Learning Builder. OTO number 3 is PrimeApps Ultra, where you get unlimited version of all the 8 apps, commercial license as well, and Prime Website Builder with 500 plus done-for-you professionally created templates. OTO 4 is the white label version, and you get full white label rights to the top 4 selling apps: Prime Website Builder, Prime Proof, Link Optimizer app, as well as Cloud Drive. And OTO 5 is the reseller version, which allows you to sell all the PrimeApps software and keep all the profits. So there you go, people. I hope this quick demo and walkthrough of PrimeApps has been helpful and has shown you how you could utilize PrimeApps, either the front end or together with some of the OTOs, to boost your business. And if you haven't already, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall be receiving when you pick up PrimeApps through my link. And I wish you great success in leveling up your business.